Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Fiserv Inc. And if you look at the long-term trend, so the stock has given multi-bagger returns over a period of a couple of years. So I hope those who have invested in this stock over a period of time, they indeed make a very good amount of money over a period of years. So since the low of 1987, the stock has given 49,000 and probably 50,000 percentage worth of returns over a period of last 30 odd years, 30 plus years. And this is the kind of trend which one should look at. Okay, so understand this if you know about trend, because I made videos based on trend lines, so I can guess some sense of uh, I don't want to use miscommunication, but the thing is, if some people look at business cycle, or they understand or don't understand the trend, and they look at financials, and they look at economy, and some people look at the price trend. So first thing, all those things are different. Second thing, one way or the another we are saying the same thing, but I don't know what kind of comments they want to make, because I am saying the same thing in a different way, and so does you, but in a slightly different way, because you want to see some other side of the data, but both means the same. Okay, so understand this. What I mean to say here is, we have three different cycles, and problem is, unless you have a practical experience, or you have a individual experience on that, so you can't understand. Those are just theoretical terms. If I say business cycle, economic cycle, and price cycle, okay, these are very easy to sound, but understanding this concept requires huge amount of research, hard work, and your practical knowledge. Unless you have invested or put your money, and then you cannot understand these kind of things. Okay, so let's just understand. So what I'm saying here, or through my video, I just focus on the price trend, and the reason for that is, price trend is a forecasting indicator, and economic and business or financial trends are lagging indicators. Okay, so if you think that something is about to happen, whether in good terms or in bad terms, price trend will move in a very fast manner, and it will give you an indication whether something good or something bad is about to happen. So there is a way, or with which people are comfortable with. I'm comfortable with this way, because ultimately, if I'm putting my money, then that's what the most important thing for me, because if I lose it, then it would be a problem. Okay, we are not born millionaires or billionaires so that we have an amount of money in our bank account or inside our pocket. So that's what we have focus on, but people have different theories and different aspects with which they want to understand things. So having said that, so what I'm saying here is, this is the kind of trend which one should look at, because technically, those who know and do technical analysis, so these kind of trends shows strength over a period of years. And understand this, that why these kind of trends are important is that a stock can't go higher over a period of year unless its business has an inherent strength. So it doesn't matter whether you are a private sector or a public sector which is ruled by the government of any country. So unless the business has strength, the stock can't move higher over a period of multiple years. It can go up for certain quarters or probably certain years, but can't go up for 30-40 years. So it requires inherent strength, and you can see the same thing in price action. Okay, so this is the general or common sense of understanding things, that efficient hypo market theory tells us that everything which is available in the market, or every news or every piece of information, has already been priced in. So a stock price of the stock market always look at the future and not at the past or probably the present, because it has already been priced in. Now if you look at this big trend, what we can see here, that your first support will come at around 79.32, and your next big support will come at around 48. So below 48 our position will be closed, because it shows that 48 is the last resort of support, and if it falls below 48, then the trend will break down and we have a far huge downside. So below 48 there is nothing for a trend, and we will just quit ourselves. So this is what we need to look at, 76 and 48. So our first target will come at around 132 odd dollars, or 133, which will be your first resistance as well. And if the stock moves below the line, above this line, okay, then we have a range which will come in between 225 to 374 over a period of couple of years. So our big target will be in between these two uh, zone. So we can't say that stock will move like this or this or this. That's why I have taken this range, and our big target or big resistance will come in between 225 and 374 over a period of years. I'm saying years because we are looking at a big chart or monthly chart, so our trend or our targets will be for a couple of years rather than for a couple of months. So indeed this is a strong chart, and the chart, in this kind of chart, the thinking or the strategy should be to buy whenever the stock falls on the downside. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.